Hi guys, my name is Marissa. Today we will be making CBD bath bombs. Before this video takes off, I want to go over the ingredients from left to right. I have citric acid, dried rose petals, rosehip oil, CBD isolate, beetroot, baking soda, witch hazel, arrowroot, and essential oils. Let's get started. So I am measuring out CBD isolate. I'm putting it into the rosehip oil because CBD dissolves better into rosehip. So I'm gonna put that off on the side. In the meantime, I'm gonna get a cup of citric acid. I'm gonna do 2 cups of baking soda, a cup of arrowroot powder, and the beetroot powder is for coloring. I don't like to use mica, I don't like to use dyes or anything like that. I like to keep it as natural as possible. All right, next I'm gonna do a tablespoon of the witch hazel, and then 10 drops of jasmine essential oil, and then 10 drops of rose essential oil. Gonna come back, swish swish of the rose hip, put that in there. And also, I don't like to use a whisk. I find that the mixture really gets stuck in the whisk, and then it's really better just to break it up with your hands and really just get in there and knead the mixture. And it's eventually gonna turn into a light pink color, depending on how much beetroot powder you use. And lastly, I use the dried rose petals at the top of the cylinder, and then I press them in, and voila, beautiful bath bomb.